Good day, respected panel members. I am Clifford Relox, and today I will be presenting my study titled Note-Taking Strategy and Mathematic Performance for Junior High School Student in Faith-Based School. Mathematics is often viewed as one of the most challenging subjects for junior high school students. Many learners experience difficulties in organizing abstract concepts and recalling problem-solving steps. The research or the researcher by Ahmad et al. 2020 and Liu and Yusaka 2022 shown that effective note-taking improve comprehension, retention, and conceptualized understanding. Another study, Viewer et al. 2021 further explained that note-taking is not just about recording information, but about actively processing ideas. This study builds on those findings by exploring how this practice affect mathematics performance among grade 8 student in faith-based school. For my statement of the problem, this study aimed to determine the relationship between students' note-taking strategy and their mathematics performance, especially in investigating how frequently grade 8 students use specific strategies such as the kernel method, SQ3R, and diagrammatic notes, and how this relate to their problem solving, conceptualized understanding, and procedural fluency. It also seek the find out whether certain strategy can significantly predict mathematics performance, offering insights for both learners and teachers. For my hypothesis, the hypothesis of the study assumed that there is no significant relationship between note-taking strategies and mathematics performance. This will be later be tested statistically to confirm or reject the assumptions. For my significance of the study, this study benefit multiple stakeholder like student as it helped them develop effective note-taking habit to improve learning. Also, teachers and administrators can use the finding to design more effective instructions, while researcher may use the study as the reference for further exploration. For my scope and limitation, the study focus just for grade 8 students from a faith-based school in Cavite. It assesses their note-taking strategy and mathematics performance across 3 domains. The first one is problem solving, the second one is conceptualized understanding, and lastly is procedural fluency. The results are specific to this context and may vary in other educational environments. This is my some of my review of literature. Show here. Literature showed that note-taking support both academic performance and character formation, especially in faith-based settings that emphasize reflective learning. For my next slides is research paradigm. This research paradigm illustrates the flow of the study where the independent variable note-taking strategy affect the process of learning and is the expected to influence the output which is students perform in mathematics. Definition of term for clarity note-taking strategy refer to the methods used by students to record, organize, and process information, while mathematics performance pertains to their demonstrate proficiency and problem solving and understanding concepts. For my research design, this study use quantitative correlation research design. It is explore the relationship between student note-taking strategy and their mathematics performance within manipulating without manipulating any variables, ensuring authentic classroom behaviors. For my population and sampling, the participants will be 90 students from grade 8 class from faith-based schools in Cavite. One section will be used for my pilots testing to validate the instrument, while the other two section will be included in my in the main study. For my instrument, the study used two instruments: a note-taking strategy questionnaires and a mathematics performance test based on Matatag curriculum third quarter for grade 8 student. The questionnaire assessed the student note-taking habits, while the test measured their mathematics performance or proficiency. This is my the interpretation, my main skill interpretation, table 1, and this is the table 2. For my pilot study, my pilot study will validate both instruments to ensure that all items are clear, appropriate, and aligned with students' learning level. For my data collection, begin with seeking proper permissions and conducting a pilot test. After refining the tools, the researcher will distribute the questionnaires and performance tests, followed by statistical analysis. Also, for my ethical consideration, the research ensure ethical standard by upholding informed consents, voluntary participation, and confidentiality, and participants will not be harmed or penalized for their responses. For my analysis of the data, this study uses descriptive statistics to describe students' note-taking practice in mathematics performance. Inferential statistics include the person correlation and regression will determine the relationship and which strategies best predict achievement. The result will be shown in the table and graph for easy interpretation. This is some of my reference guided by study focusing on note-taking strategy, cognitive processing, and mathematics learning performance. The work of Estremos 2025 and Leo and Osaka 2022 and Boyer et al. 2021 were particularly influential in shaping the theoretical and methodological foundation for the research. That will be all, and thank you.